Welcome to the Begley Library tutorial on how to use Jstor. If at any point you need assistance or have a question, please do not hesitate to contact a librarian. Begin by going to the library's homepage. Place your cursor over the word Research and click on Find Articles. Under Search here for Articles, click on Library Databases. Click on J for Jstor. Click on Jstor. Click on Advanced Search. Scroll down to Narrow Results. Under Item Type, click in the box next to Articles. Under Language, click on All Languages and select the language you want the results to have been written in, such as English. If you only want items published in a specific time frame, such as the past 5 years, enter the earliest year on the left under From and the current year on the right under To. For example, I want only articles that were published between 2018 and 2024. Scroll back up and in the search box enter your search. If you are using a term of more than one word, be sure to enclose the phrase in quotation marks so that the search engine knows you want those words in that order next to each other. If you need additional boxes, click on plus Add Row. For example, I'm searching for Shakespeare and Prejudice. Be sure that under Select an Access Type, you have selected Content I Can Access. Then, click on Submit Advanced Search. Note how Jstor changed your search to include parentheses and indicators for the language you selected. Look at the titles of the articles and find one that is relevant. If there are too many results, there are additional ways to narrow your results. You can narrow your results by academic content to journals, parentheses articles, close parentheses, or book chapters. There are other options as well. For example, click on Journals. Here you will see the type of resource, such as journal or article, and the title of the resource. Below, you will see the author or authors of the article, then the source and date of the article, followed by how many pages the article used. Click on the title of an article that looks useful. To begin, it is suggested that you read the abstract and the details of the article. You can do this by clicking on Abstracts and Details. Here you will be able to get the remote access URL or permalink. This link will enable you or anyone you share the link with to access this article if they have the proper login information for SUNY SCCC. If the abstract sounds like the article will be a good match, you can read the article on the screen. You can also download the article to read later by clicking the download button. If you want to print the article, you would need to first download it and then print the file you downloaded. For a draft citation of the article, you can click on Cite. Remember to check the citation as computers can make mistakes. Click on Cite. This will open 3 draft citations for you to use in MLA, Chicago, and APA formats. Click the red Copy button to the right of the citation you want to use and paste it into a document or an email to yourself. Be sure to check the citation to be sure everything is correct and formatted correctly. Computers can make mistakes. If at any point you need assistance or have a question, please do not hesitate to contact a librarian.